Welcome to Koh Phi Phi, Thailand's jewel of the Andaman Sea.
Maya Bay is world famous for its breathtaking beauty.
The Viking Cave holds ancient drawings and mystery within its walls.
The waters around Phi Phi are perfect for snorkeling and diving.
Monkey Beach is a fun stop, where wildlife meets paradise.
A hike to the viewpoint rewards you with unforgettable scenery. The village life of Phi Phi Don is vibrant and welcoming. Kayaking around the islands at sunset is pure magic. Phi Leh Lagoon feels like a hidden paradise in the heart of Phi Phi.
When the sun sets, Phi Phi's nightlife lights up with fire shows.
Thank you for joining this journey through the magic of Koh Phi Phi.